Hello friends, my name is Serge. I want to show you in this tutorial how you can unfreeze your computer system. But how does a computer get frozen first? A computer can get frozen due to many reasons. That can be because maybe you are running many software at the same time on your computer system, or maybe you are being attacked with a virus, or you need an update of your Windows system. We are going to show in this tutorial a step by step how you can get out of such a situation. But if it doesn't help you, you can get in touch with us by clicking on the link in the description below. Without taking much of your time, let's move on the computer and get started. Let's say I opened many tabs in my Microsoft Edge and now the program isn't responding anymore. So I just want to go ahead and close these windows. Let me try with Alt F4. We use Alt F4 to close any opened software or windows on our system. But in this case, I need more than just Alt F4. Let me try with Ctrl Shift Escape button. This asks me to open the Task Manager. When I click yes, I open my Task Manager. And from Task Manager, I can highlight my Microsoft Edge and on the right bottom, click on End Task. This will definitely close the Microsoft Edge. Let's say it's not just a specific program that is frozen. The whole system isn't responding. So we can restart the computer by pressing Ctrl plus Alt key plus Delete key on our keyboard. This will open up for us these windows, and on the right bottom of our screen find the power button. When you click there, you can either restart your computer or shut it down. Let's say the previous method didn't work. Maybe you need a hard start of your system. So to do that, you just have to press your power button for about 5 seconds until your screen becomes black and the power light switch off. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If so, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this How to Do Technology channel. Hit the ring bell so that you get notified whenever we come up with new videos like this one. With this being said, thanks for watching. See you soon.